Welcome to giftsofpakistan.com. Most efficient and economical GPS tracking system for all kind of vehicles and bikes. Real-time tracking, update position every 10 seconds with continuous tracking. Remotely cut off petrol/electricity, remotely control vehicle engine via app or SMS to avoid or stop someone driving the vehicle illegally. Fast positioning, provide a timely positioning service after installing it. Trace playback, check the history trace of your vehicle up to 6 months to help you find useful information. Overspeed alarm, when your speed is over what you said, it will send alarm to remind you keep safe. Geo-fence alarm, users can set a range of geofence on map th circle and it will alarm when the device gets in or out of presetting range via app or SMS. Website/app/SMS checking, various methods like website, app, SMS to check vehicle status. Kindly visit our website giftsofpakistan.com, Facebook page facebook.com/giftsofpakistan786 or contact at 0302-504-8441 and 0336-524-8270.